Hi everyone, my name is Samuel from Vizpulse Studios, and today I'll be showing you how to update your feed references in Tableau. Right, I think it's a very important feature in Tableau. It saves a lot of time in cases where we have situations like this. So consider a use case whereby we have this table, and in this table we have a feed called name. It consists of customer's name. Let's say in our organization, a new feed has just been created for the customer name. Maybe they made some changes, or they've updated the list, or there was a mistake initially and they had to create another one. And you have now been tasked that to change from the old one to the new one. However, we have used this feed in a lot of calculations and worksheets, right? So if it was only this table, it would have been easy to just pick up the new feed. So the new feed in this case is customer name right here. This is the old one. If this was the only place the initial one was used, all we would have to do is to bring this one and change it like this. And then we have the new one right here. Okay, but that's not the case. So the case we are looking at is that we have used name, the feed called name, in several calculations and several worksheets, right? And it will be very difficult or very tedious for us to go into those calculations one by one and change the feed. Right, so what do we do in that case? So using the replace reference feature by Tableau, we can right click on the old feed, which is the name in this case. And towards the bottom part, we have an option called replace references. So if you click on that, all you have to do now is to search for the right feed, the new one. So customer name is right here. Then click OK. As you would see right here, it has now changed to customer name. All right, so that's it. This will not only change in this table, it's going to affect all other calculations or worksheets that you have initially used the feed called name or the old feed. So this can save you a lot of time and make you more efficient in your work. I hope this is helpful. Thank you. See you next time.